Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class on the 10th of May at the Kenn Centre, where we did a recurring catapult, an octopus bounce, a neck wrap push spin and a sway flip around. If you need a more detailed teach of any of those moves, then the links are in the description below. This is just a reminder of how everything went together. So recurring catapult first, started off right to right, went like this, went 7 and 8. We went a back, sweep, lean to the side, pick up the back, lean to the side, spin the lady, catch in the left, 2 hands for the octopus bounce. We went guys in front first, and then we went block and look and out, went 2 hands high to set up the neck wrap push spin, went round, flat, all the way round, changed hands for the sway, came back, sway, sway. We did a flip flop first, and then the second time we did a flip, switch hands across the back to do the flip around, and then we just finished the sway off as needed to join to whatever we're going to do next. Hope you find that useful. We will be back next time with another modern jive clip. Thank you very much to everybody who likes and subscribes, because you really do help promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.